What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're gonna learn how to play Circles by Post Malone on the good old uke. As always with every ukulele tutorial, I will include the skip to section or the timestamps for every section in the video in the description below. Also, there's a new feature on YouTube where you can add chapters, which is basically the sections of the video. If you hover over the video right now, you'll see at the bottom of the video there's a red line and it has names for each chapter. So there's strumming, chord progression, chords, and all that good stuff, so you can skip ahead through that. If you're watching on your phone, you can just tap the screen right now and you'll see the exact same thing at the bottom of the video, a red line with the chapter name, so it's super easy to kind of move ahead which section that you want. But of course, if you did watch the entire video, I would love you forever. Also, what I do want to note is that the full ukulele play along is already live on the YouTube, so I'll leave a link in the description below, also in the top of the comments. And that video, of course, is the full lyrics and chords on screen while I strum the entire song and sing it. So if you want to go check that video out, it's already live on YouTube. Again, everything will be down below. But let's get into the chords that we need for this song. As always, I will have a visual representation of where you need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So with that all being said, the first chord that we need is the C major 7 chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your ring finger and you're gonna place your ring finger on the bottom string, which is the first string. So first string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. The second chord that we need is the E minor 7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're actually going to keep your finger where we had the C major 7 chord, which is the first string, 2nd fret. That's going to be your ring finger. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So again, it's like little snake fangs. So you're just going to keep those at the 1st string, 2nd fret, and your middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna place your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. Perfect. And the last chord that we need is the F minor chord, and how we're gonna play this one is you're gonna take your pointer finger and you're gonna place your pointer finger on the 4th string, 1st fret. Then you're gonna take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And finally, you're gonna take your pinky and place your pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. Beautiful. And there you have it. Alright, so those were all 4 chords we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play. And now let's talk about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the entire song, coming up next. Alright, so we just learned the chords. Now let's go talk about the chord progression that we're going to use throughout the entire song. And as always, the chord progression is basically the structure of the song. So once you have it down, you have the entire song down basically. So the chord progression is going to be C major 7, then E minor 7, F, and then F minor. So again, it's going to be C major 7, E minor 7, F, and then F minor. And again, I'll have that on screen, so make sure you memorize that. And as soon as you have that memorized, you have the entire song down, because it just goes on a loop. It goes C major 7, E minor 7, F, F minor, and then back to C major 7, and you just keep on going. So that is the chord progression. Now let's go ahead and talk about the strumming, coming up next. All right, so we learned the chords and the chord progression. Now let's talk about how we're gonna play this song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you 2 different ways you can play this song. The first way is gonna be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I just picked up the uke a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. I have no time for strumming just yet. I'm just learning the chords. I love Circles by Post Malone. Please don't add any strumming. I got you. So the first way, what we're gonna do is just going to be with a down strum. And as always, I have the full chords and lyrics on in the printable on Patreon down below. So if you want to go support this channel, head on over to my Patreon account. It's $5 or less, and you can download the printable for there. And again, it's the full lyrics and chords that you can save on your computer, laptop, phone, wherever you save your things on there, and you have that. And again, also the full play along is also linked in the description below, so definitely go check out that. But again, highly recommend if you just started out just to do a strum down. So it'd be like, couldn't turn around, and you're just gonna strum down whenever you see a new chord. And again, it's just gonna be an easy down strum. And if you're just starting out, I would recommend to use your thumb just to go strum all 4 strings. And again, as soon as you see a new chord, just strum down. And that's it for the strum down. The second way that we can play this song, and it's actually with a strumming pattern, and also it's with a chuck. I actually did a video just dedicated on how to chuck, so if that's something you want to add and spice up your strumming with, I'll have an annotation up at the top. You'll see how to chuck. It's a 4-minute video, and it teaches you basically, again, how to chuck. I'll also include it in the description below. Definitely go check that video out if you want to learn how to chuck. But the strumming pattern is going to be a down, chuck, up, chuck, up. And again, it's going to be down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So if you don't want to add a chuck and you're like, Ricky, not today, you can just do a simple down, down, up, down, up. But again, I feel like it just sounds a lot better with the chuck. So it's going to go down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Or if you don't want to do without, it's down, down, up, down, up. I'll make sure to have both versions on screen right now so you can choose which one you want to do. And you're going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord. So it's going to go C major 7, E minor 7, F, F minor. So again, if you do that throughout for the 4 chords, it's going to sound like this. In 3, 2, 1. And again, it's just going to be C major 7, E minor 7, F, F minor. And again, every chord is just going to get this down, chuck, up, chuck, up. Or if you're doing without the chuck, it's going to be down, down, up, down, up. And you're going to do that strumming pattern once for every chord throughout the entire song. So again, as I said previously, the chord progression is definitely going to be one thing that you really do want to memorize, because as soon as you have that down and you know the strumming, it's just going to be. And then you just add the lyrics, and then you have the entire song down. Also, one little quick thing I do want to say is a huge thank you to Enya Ukulele for making absolutely amazing and beautiful sounding ukes. This is actually my newest uke in my collection. This is the Enya Mahogany concert size ukulele in blue. As you can see, you have the cherry blossom design on the headstock with the orange accents and the gold accents. And you're probably thinking to yourself, Ricky, I feel like I've seen that uke before, but not in blue. You'd be absolutely correct. This is the tenor-sized mahogany ukulele with the cherry blossom design on the headstock. So I now have 2. One is the concert size, which is the blue one, and the bottom one, which is in the brown, the actual natural wood color, is the tenor size one. So you've probably seen me play this one a bunch, but now I have the sort of the little brother, little sister, little sibling uke, which is the concert size uke, which honestly, I actually love concert size ukes. If you've been watching this channel for a while, I have a bunch of them. all of those are concert size ukes. But again, this has a sort of deep blue color on the body and on the neck and headstock. And the headstock's actually black, a nice glossy black with the cherry blossom design. Again, if you do want to go check out this uke, link will be in the description below. Also, I'll leave a link for the tenor size one as well in the brown color, because I feel like maybe you want some options, and Enya has got options for you, and they're also super affordable. So I'll leave a link in the description below for the Amazon page if you want to check out this one or any other ukes. You can just go to the Enya website as well. So thank you so much, Enya, for making amazing, beautiful, and also amazing sounding ukes for a super affordable price. Thank you so much. And yeah, thank you. All right, so we learned the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming for this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play Circles by Post Malone on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Also, if you just have recently clicked that red subscribe button there, congratulations, you are now part of the uke fam, the best uke fam on the YouTubes, in my opinion. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for all the support. Also, one final thing is links to everything from the uke that I was playing to all of links to my socials, and also the merch that we have on the store if you do want to support. Everything will be in the description below. Make sure to click show more in the description, and you have this whole list of information to everything, to the Patreon, TikTok, Instagram, and the Twitters, to the merch, again, to the uke that I was playing. Everything will be down below. Thank you so much for all your support. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Almost messed the ending up. I love ya. I hate to see ya. No, what? I love ya. I hate to leave ya. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. We messed that one up, but sometimes it happens. All right, I'm gonna give you a forehead kiss and let's go. All right, bye.